Hello everybody, welcome back to my next video. Sorry I hadn't been putting videos up because I was isolated for 7 days, so I'm back doing it again. Today we're going to make gunday mayo. So from my Asian recipe in my book. So I got 1.5 cups, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic and coriander. So let's get into it. It's just going to be an exciting video. Mayonnaise. I've got the ordinary mayonnaise. So I'm going to put the mayonnaise in 1.5 cups. So get right up the top. Squeeze. Yep. Yep. Lots of this.
Yep, 2 tablespoons.
Okay. The big one, eh?
Yep.
Oh. I might have to get the
Sauce. Get the spoon. Yeah. And a knife so you can scrape it off.
No, I'll just put.
No, that's a teaspoon you got. Yes. Is that a big one?
Yeah.
Yes.
There you go. Like that?
Yeah. So you'll need some more.
Yeah. Oh, it's only because it's going to
Yes.
put it in here.
Yes. Putting it in the blender.
Yep.
Little blender.
Yep. See how it goes. Another lot.
Yep. Yes, that should be enough.
Put mayonnaise in. Oops. Do this.
Yes, that's teaspoon.
Yeah. I just got the crushed garlic. Like that?
Yes.
2 of these.
Yep.
Okay. Put the lid on.
You got it?
No. Okay.
Okay, now leave it there. Put the top on.
This one here?
Yes.
On top?
Yes.
Like that?
Yes, and push down on the...
I don't know if I've done it right.
Yep, see it's...
It's finished blending. Okay, I'm going to put the... Oops.
Oh, that's going to be nice with chips.
Yeah. Probably need some help doing this. I need some help.
Okay.
For watching my video how to make Gunday mayo. If you guys want to try how to make this, I will write down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.